is systematizing the everyday assignments. It is something very fruitful for improving business efficiency to systematize and arrange your everyday targets. No matter what the task is, whether it's trivial or huge, just get it organized and try not to leave any remainders. 2. Support face-to-face interaction with and amongst workforces. The chief perk behind a face-to-face interaction is that it tends to magnify the rapidity of doing a work and things are get sorted out better in this way. It leaves no ambiguity and uncertainty and make things clear and vivid. 3. Conduct a short meetup on regular basis with employees. You don't need to hold a meeting that consists of hours, just hold a short meeting, a short time span, and in that have a discussion on the most fundamental issues. So, you can to know the queries about your employees regarding work. 4. Take a feedback of employees as how they foresee company progress. It's a good way to improve the efficiency through the persons who actually can work better to make it work more efficiently. For this, you can take the feedback through any way. 5. Learn to draw a line when it is needed. You must know the art of drawing a line when it comes to improve the efficiency. Efficiency is undoubtedly significant for companies' interest, but the point is there are more things too that need to be taken in account. So here you should understand that in order to improve efficiency you may not overlook other important aspects.